The streets of Bengbu in East China became arteries for swiftly moving muddy rivers after Typhoon Rumbia brought torrential rain and a force 8 gale on Sunday. At one point, water was 4 meters deep at a main intersection in downtown Bengbu, trapping cars and turning fairs into waterfalls. Water nearly a meter deep gushed into homes and shops. The extreme weather has hit many provinces: Jiangsu, Anhui, Henan, Hebei, and Shandong. In central China's Henan province, Rumbia dumped 230 millimeters of rain on Xiayi County.
More than 60,000 people living in Japan have been given evacuation advisories as the country is being battered by a powerful typhoon. The center of Typhoon Cimaron was about 200 kilometers south of Shikoku, the smallest of Japan's 4 main islands, and heading north-northwest. It's likely to cut across western Japan on Thursday evening. Once it's hit Japan, it'll sweep over to South Korea Peninsula through Friday with the strongest winds along the coast.
Ahí se va a quedar un rato. Ahí se quedó. Ahí la hace ya.
No, la puede voltear todavía para allá. Sí. No. ¡Aquí el carrito! El carro me lo lleva, ¿verdad? ¡A la madre se jodió el arroyo! ¡No mames!
Vamos para afuera.
¡Que vení de aquí!
No, hasta suerte iba a tener.
No te vayas.
Aquí bajé.
El rojo.
Y viene lástima,
¡Hijo, le va a dar un
Valió madre. Valió madre ya. A la madre agarró güey.
¡Ay, Cristo!
¡Ay! El retrovisor. Ahí viene el rojo, mira, ahí viene el rojo. No, ¿para qué jugarle? Esta arriba sí ya se tapó.
¡Ay, Dios mío, la garrocha! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¡Agárrate ahí! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¡Agárrate el carro! ¡Agárrate el carro!
¿No puede pararse?
No, pero lo va a agarrar la otra ola. Ay, Dios mío. Se lo llevó, santo Dios. ¿Y quién dice?
Llevo el container. Mira este con un auto atrás, weón. Mira el gato. Mira este. Ahí está. Se mojaron por dentro, mamá. Ah, esa mierda no se lo lleva.
cayeron, vale. Que allí está aguantando, está prendido. Le salvaron la vida, vale. Ay, Raiza, mira, una persona, mira. Tiene que amarrar esa camioneta. Mira la camioneta de Vilma, chaval. No tiene que amarrarla. Mira, que no puedo buscarlo. Coño, mira la camioneta de Vilma. ¿Puedes grabar? Y tú te vas a ver para amarrar esa camioneta, ¿vale? Toma, voy a ver si puede, si no, bueno.
Se lo está llevando, madre, mira cómo se lo lleva. Ay, por Dios, bendito Padre Celestial.
Graham Haynes has been on the land just outside of the capital for more than 50 years, and he says current dry conditions hark back to Canberra's worst bushfire disaster.
2003 could pop up tomorrow.
Similar conditions already causing chaos up and down the New South Wales coast, and a coming El Nino climate cycle scientists say is the new norm.
That's coincided with these really dry conditions and an emerging drought, and this is really what we can expect to occur more in the future.
It's prompted authorities to declare the start to the ACT bushfire season a month early.
We're in a much greater danger of bushfires as the season starts to come through.
Critics concerned the hazard reduction burn targets haven't been met.
We have to make sure that there is appropriate back burning taking place or hazard reduction activities.
Conditions weren't in place for the safe hazard reduction burn. That means we can look at other opportunities to do those burns.
So we've just got to get our pre-season, our preparedness work underway a little bit earlier. We are doing that.
Authorities say preparations don't stop where bushland meets the suburbs, and they're encouraging all Canberrans to get involved and make sure they have a plan.
It's all the sensible stuff about removing the amount of combustibles near their homes, cleaning out gutters and drains, and having a bushfire survival plan.
Researchers say governments need to plan more meticulously too, particularly when considering sending valuable firefighters overseas. Harry Frost, 9 News.
Many residents in Shovel Lake, BC left their homes as wildfires threatened the area. However, one man decided to drive his way out through the fire on August 23rd. Guy Smith posted these videos to his Facebook page, documenting the dangerous journey. While we do not recommend this course of action, the video does provide insight into the immensity of the wildfire and the struggles the crews battling the flames are faced with. According to Smith's post, it appeared that the fire managed to jump the road, despite the work fire crews had done keeping such a thing at bay. Comments underneath the post indicate uploader Guy Smith and other residents had been evacuated from the area for some time. However, he said, we came back a few days ago and we could see the glow from my place. One person commenting on the video said, gives me anxiety watching that. Scary business. Evacuation orders have been issued for parts of northern British Columbia. However, the order for the Shovel Lake area was rescinded on the morning of August 23rd.
Hi, I'm Tim Tuccaro. I'm a professor of health sciences at Simon Fraser University, and my research area is in occupational environmental medicine, and I study the health impacts of climate change. Today, the most apparent risk is the smoke. This is forest fire smoke. We are at an air quality index that's harmful. It's 10 plus. It's off the scale. We know that climate change will produce more events like this. There are a myriad of health effects of climate change, ranging from asthma because of smoke events, to death from heat, to poor water or drought conditions with no water, to food system disruption and mass migration. The most important thing is that we connect the dots between projects that extend our addiction to fossil fuels, produce greenhouse gases that cause climate change, and today's events. These forest fires are going to happen more and more frequently as the planet warms. We have to turn off the spigot. We have to stop burning fossil fuels in order to rehabilitate the planet and get off our addiction. That's the most important thing, connecting the dots.